Hi guys, let's make 3 teas today for when you're feeling under the weather and you have a cold. These are great to boost your immune system. They're full of vitamins and antioxidants and honey. Honey, I always use it for everything. When for my throat, for my cough, for everything. It just helps me get better fast. It is complicated these days when you have a cold because you don't know if you are infected with corona or you have a cold. So these teas are no magic cure. They're just teas to soothe your body when you're feeling crappy, okay? If you haven't subbed, please sub and turn on that notification button so you know when there's new videos. Let's do this. I have a piece of ginger root that I just washed and sliced, and I'm gonna put it in my pot. I didn't bother peeling it. A cinnamon stick, 3 whole cloves, some orange peel. I'm gonna put 1.5, 2 cups of water in here. And I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of honey. None of these ingredients have to be exact, guys. We are going to bring this to a boil, turn down the heat, and we're going to let this simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I'm stirring until all of my honey is dissolved. Now we're gonna strain our tea. So let's drink this. The smell of the spices and the orange is very good. Just the smell will make you feel better. Oh yeah, very good. We're going to put about a tablespoon of lemon juice in here, so half a lemon. I'm going to add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then a tablespoon of honey. We'll add some boiling water. Dilute that honey, mix it all in. This is gonna help you soothe a cough, a sore throat, just a painful body. Bundle up in bed and drink away. Let's taste it. It's interesting. I'm not gonna lie to you and tell you that, oh my gosh, it's delicious. But it will help you, I promise you. We are making our 3rd tea with hibiscus. Hibiscus is great for your health. It's a great antioxidant to begin with. It's good for blood pressure. It's good for the fats in your blood. It's good for cleansing your liver. It's also an antibacterial. So it's great to help you boost your immune system and ward off a pesky cold. So in this little pot, I have some water. We're gonna add some ginger. I'm not bothering peeling it. I don't know, what is that? 3 inches maybe? Doesn't matter. And I'm going to add a cinnamon stick, which I'm going to break in half. We're also gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey. We're gonna let this simmer for a good 15 minutes. So our water and cinnamon and ginger and honey is ready. I'm gonna put in that much of hibiscus flowers in here. And we're going to cover this and let it steep for about 15 minutes. Okay, we're gonna strain our tea. We have enough for 2 cups in here. Look at that beautiful color. Oh man, this smells very nice. Now this is good. You know, you can keep this in the refrigerator and drink it cold if you want. Just put some ice, in it and have a cold drink. It's very good.